cherry on top!
Talaga mag-support ang mga Pinoy! Wow, may mga blooms po ba dito? May light stick. Wow. Thank you so much po. Alam niyo po, it was just a dream for us before na makapunta sa ibang bansa. Pero ngayon, di ba? Nakakapunta tayo sa ibang bansa at hindi lang punta. We also perform and we make people happy. Kaya gusto po namin magpasalamat sa ASAP family po for bringing us closer to our kapamilyas here in California. Pero syempre,
Be kind and always remember to live, right, Ate Maloy?
right, yes. California looking
Grabe! Pinoy check! Hey! Nasaan ba yung mga blooms dito? Okay, sino po ba yung mga pinunta niya dito? Sino yun po? Dito? Sino po pinunta niya?
Uy, dito na kami!
Ah, thank you so much!
Meron pa sa kanila may mga Beanie Ones! Wow, thank you po!
Baby shirt din siya. Ayan. Thank you so much po for giving us such an amazing energy and we cannot wait to come back here. Thank you so much, California. Sorry na po. Thank you po.
Yes, and California, if nag-enjoy pa kayo, isang A naman dyan!
Sa mga hindi po alam yung A, you have to and say A! Yes, A po talaga ang California. I love it here! And dahil kanina pa namin kayo nakitang nakikisayaw and nakiki-vibe with us, I feel like now's the time to hear you guys sing naman. Yeah. So, request na po namin. Feels like summer when I'm with you. Can't wait to go back with you. Pantropiko, pantropiko. Pantropiko, pantropiko.
Surprise, Beanie. We'd like to award this to Philippine Association of the Record Industry Certified Gold Album Award for the albums Feel Good and Tala Arawan.
And also, we're awarding this Platinum Certification Award to the album Tala Arawan. Of course, we'd also like to congratulate the producers and composers who worked with you guys on both albums. Bojam, Angelica Sam, Matt Olapides, Mike Conchada, Pao Chavez, Robert Pereña, Louis Canaria, Yuri, Theo Martel, and Lica Del Rosario.
Congratulations to our nation's girl group, Beanie! Beanie!
Talagang shocks na shocks sila talaga. As in big surprise.
Speechless.
Yes, I know this is a best surprise for them, but we want to hear
Yes,
from our
please.
nations. So you want to say something, girls?
Yeah, so we'd like to say thank you po. Thank you to ASAP for having us here the second time around. Star Music, TFC, thank you so much. Our management, our bosses, our heads, everyone who has been a part of our Beanie team. Thank you po. And syempre sa mga taong sumusuporta sa amin, thank you for showing us tremendous love and support po. And truly, we won't be able to gather Song Awards. We wouldn't be here without you guys. Sana magpatuloy lang yung love and support all throughout po. Thank you guys!
Definitely. Just look at all the blooms right here in the arena.
Subscribers, kayo po mga kapamilya ang aming happy place!
Yes, masayang masaya po kaming makasama kayong lahat. Maraming salamat po. At hindi po kami magsasawang gawin ito forever. No, wait, forever.
Nagpapalit contender sa ating two-part ASAP in California special. Salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Yes, para namin ipagmamalaki at isusunod ang world-class Filipino talent. Special thanks po kina Ann Curtis and Miss Sharon Boneta!
The Megastar! Our celebration doesn't end here dahil hanggat may TFC, hanggat may ASAP, patuloy po tayo magsasama at magsasaya. We love you mga kapamilya. Now! Alam ko yung mga iba medyo nakatayo na, paalis na, pero hindi pa tapos ang party natin. You still wanna party?